Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your watch supports the compass and has location access. This lets it measure heading and tilt accurately. Once done, enable location services on your paired iPhone and allow compass permission so the watch can use GPS and magnetometer data. Now, tap the compass app on your Apple Watch from the app grid or press the digital crown to find it. You'll see the cardinal heading immediately. Keep your watch level at first to get a stable reading and avoid magnetic interference nearby. You'll want to hold the watch level so the magnetometer can give a precise heading in degrees and cardinal points. Tilt correction appears automatically for incline. Next, rotate the digital crown or tap the screen to reveal elevation, latitude/longitude, and current coordinates, useful for navigation or sharing your position. If you need to return, tap the waypoints icon to save your location or enable backtrack. This records a breadcrumb trail using GPS, so you can retrace steps accurately when you're done. When you're finished, either lock the compass or exit the app to preserve battery and stop continuous sensor use. If you notice erratic headings or wild fluctuations, recalibrate the magnetometer by moving your watch in a slow figure-8 pattern. This realigns tracking. Make sure no magnetic cases or nearby electronics are interfering, and if problems continue, restart the watch and check for watch OS updates. That typically resolves persistent sensor errors, so you get consistent compass readings for your next use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.